You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name, the name of this press secretary now under the Trump administration. If you want to learn more names from US politics, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Just a moment, a second. Karoline, so it's not Caroline, Karoline Leavitt. Yes, I know the spelling makes it a little bit confusing, but it's simply Leavitt, Karoline Leavitt, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.